Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Devine Destiny, once the most stunning hotel in the West End, with modern features like a pool with swim-up bar and later home of Western Hospitality School, is on the market. Close to Rick's Cafe, the property is in walking distance to shops, restaurants, and a fitness center, but is still secluded and peaceful. The property consists of 6 different buildings with 46 rooms and sits on 10.5 acres of land in the heart of Negril's West End for further development. The buildings are amidst lush tropical gardens with concrete walkways. The buildings could be used as an apartment complex, private villas, or as a hospital with therapy centers. There are multiple options for the business savvy visionary. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 3.5 million or Jamaican $538.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.